So this is the virtual machine that we have right now here. This is of 22 GB of RAM and 150 GB of hard disk.
Oh, is it? Okay, so your machine is 22 GB RAM, or the VM?
VM virtual machine.
Yeah, but your how much is your machine RAM?
My machine means that my laptop RAM.
Yes.
It is 8 GB.
Okay, so this will be this your VM is Oracle given, right? Or is it you?
Yes. No,
Okay,
it is Oracle 7.5, Oracle Linux 7.5.
okay. So VM you have downloaded and installed, and the VM is plain vanilla VM with no installations available, or is it like they have installed everything and you will
No,
be
no,
using?
I installed everything. Actually, we have just a plain. Actually, we have VM Oracle VM Manager, and through that VM
Hmm.
Manager, we create a number of VMs, and we can choose like what operating system should be installed, like Windows or Oracle or Ubuntu or anything.
Hmm.
Okay,
Is it
so we chose.
free from Oracle, or is it like we need to
Yeah,
pay?
operating system is totally free because
Okay.
Linux is open source.
Hmm.
So the operating system is free, but the hardware is very costly.
That's true.
So basically, we can download the infrastructure from here. This is the official website from Oracle, and here we have all the binaries available.
Okay.
Yeah, so I just downloaded this infrastructure,
Okay.
Oracle Identity and Access Manager PS 12C PS3 infrastructure. Okay,
Okay.
and the next
Okay.
we will be needing this Oracle Identity and Access Manager PS 12C PS3. So I'm just putting it to download. Okay. So the infrastructure is already downloaded. Okay.
Okay.
So it is in zip. So we'll unzip it, extract here. Okay. So now we're gonna install the infrastructure. Okay.
Yeah.
And its a prerequisite is Java should be installed in your system.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Yeah, it's Java hyphen jar, and it's the jar file
Mm-hmm.
for the infrastructure.
So this is like complete package of infrastructure. Everything will be here. You haven't given your WebLogic location or anything. Even
No,
WebLogic is also
no, we'll give it. The
okay.
OpenJDK GVM is not supported on this platform. It's at OpenJDK. So you must be knowing where all the paths should be set. Dash profile, you know.
Hmm.
Okay. It's still open, DDK.
Okay.
All right, Aman. So you can try to help them. What are the things we need to configure in the regular
Yes.
classes? We will going to configure and we will going to do all the things.
So you mean to say that I'll have to go through with all the things? So basically, the first thing would be the prerequisites that we would need before the OEM. That is Oracle database.
Hmm.
Okay. Then Oracle HTTP server. You must be knowing what is HTTP server, I think.
Yes, yes, I know. Yeah, it
Okay.
intercepts HTTP requests coming in, right? If HTTP server is down, then everything is down.
Yeah,
That's what I
exactly.
from last 6 months. Yes.
Okay. So the next thing is the LDAPs, that the lightweight directory access protocols, and OUD, OID, AD. You mentioned
Hmm.
about AD, like you worked over the connector of AD. So
Yeah, I have AD as a trusted source for few applications, and then I have
okay,
OID for few applications. So few data, some of the data we have OIM divided for few clients, and few clients there is another installation of OIM. So for few
okay,
clients, data comes from AD, and few clients data comes from OID. So
okay,
our instance is integrated with both of them.
okay. So next, you should be having the knowledge of Linux operating system, like
I
some
Okay.
basic
So
understanding
I
of
have
Linux.
just, yeah, whatever you did, I could understand. That's all I have. That's the knowledge I
Yeah,
have.
that's enough.
Uh, yeah. Going to the folder, deleting folder, removing file, adding file, and then opening file, changing file. That's all I know. I mean, installations we
So
do. I'm into
yeah,
production support
so
right
could
now
you
from
please
last
tell me
six
the
months.
command? Yeah, could you please tell me the command to create a directory into a directory?
MKDIR, right?
Yeah, MKDI, tell me the whole command.
Make
Directory
directory.
into a directory and then subdirectory.
I would rather Google and get it copied. That's
Okay, so it is mkdir hyphen p and then the directory structure.
okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So the next thing I will be covering, that is the installation and configuration of Oracle Access Manager. That would include installation of Fusion middleware infrastructure. Next would be the installation of Oracle Access Manager. Then the repository creation utility that I mentioned, that RCU.
Yeah.
Yeah, next we run the configuration to create the admin and the manage servers. Okay, then I'll guide you through the WebLogic server, whole WebLogic server, the what are the servers, what are the machines, node manager, how to check whether the node manager is reachable or not, like what is lock and edit, what is deployments, how can we deploy, how can we update a deployment, how can we delete and install a new deployment. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
next would be security realm. Here we configure our authenticators for the LDAP to get all the users into the OEM. Okay,
Okay. Okay. So the
basically we have
security realm
users.
is you see, security realm is inside WebLogic server you're talking about, where we go and check user. Few users' credentials are stored in WebLogic server, right? Are you talking
Right.
about?
Yes. I'm talking about
Okay.
that. Yes,
No.
into the security realm, we create our authenticators for the LDAP like OUD, OID, AD. So whatever the user we have in our LDAPs, that will come into the WebLogic server.
Hmm. Hmm.
Okay. So next to the control flags providers, these all
Hmm.
settings are into the WebLogic server. Okay. So
Okay.
the
Hmm.
next part, so after this, I will be covering OEM console.
Hmm.
So into the OEM console, the first thing would be the single sign-on.
Yes.
Okay, so here the first step is installation of OHS because that without OHS you wouldn't be able to achieve the single sign-on, or you must be having some kind of HTTP server, whether it could be IAS server or Oracle HTTP server or any server. It should be HTTP server.
Yeah.
Okay, next into the OHS we need to run a script that is deploy webkit instance. After that, we need to create SSO agent into our OEM through the OEM console. Next is the
Okay.
installation of WebGate from that OEM to the OHS. After that, we need to protect URLs into the OEM. I think you have done this before, I think. The
Yeah. Yeah.
protection of
URL
URLs in the
protection.
OEM. Yeah, into the
Hmm.
resource
I
path.
have. Yeah.
Okay. So after that, providing the same context route into the OHS also into the into the module conf folder and conf file. Okay, the next is creation of authentication and authorization policies, agent and
Hmm.
agentless SSO.
Okay.
Okay,
Hmm.
so next, yeah. So I'll go through the each and everything available here.
Hmm. Like, see, I have worked on application domains, going inside it, and password policy changing, authentication modules. Uh,
Okay. So have you created a custom login page?
no.
Okay, so I'll teach you how to create a custom login page into this, like the default one we have in Oracle
Hmm.
Access Manager.
Hmm.
I'll show you how to update it and how we can change it. We can use our
Hmm.
HTML and CSS skills to update it.
Okay. So this
The-
deployment is very similar to OIM, custom pages. So we used
yes,
to have
deployment
custom
is
pages
totally
and then.
yes, deployment is totally same in each and every case. You must have deployed like custom bindings, ADF projects in OIM.
Correct. Correct.
So the same way, like going to the WebLogic server, check the loc and edit, then deployment, then install your WAR file or jar file, whatever you have, EAR file,
Hmm. Hmm.
then active the changes, and
Hmm.
you're good to go.
Okay.
So into this, we'll have session management, password policies, plugins, authentication module, authentication plugins, agent. These are the SSO
Hmm.
agents. Then we have application domain, resource types, host identifier, authentication schemas. And next, federation.
Okay.
Federation is something different when we have when we want to do single sign-on between the two different applications.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, here we have this important thing, user identity store.
This is integrated with OID, identity store.
This is currently integrated with the OUD.
OUD. Okay. Hmm.
Yes, here I have created a store, OUD store. So here all the
Hmm.
users into the OUD are here. Next
Hmm.
are the administration task, certificate validation, server instances. Here we can check all the ports and the host name of the server. Next we have setting here. It would open when I log in through the VM. It would not open from here.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
So what is
So these
certificate
are,
validation?
yeah, basically we like the SSL certificates we have, we put them here.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Just by looking at it, we'll get to know that what all the certificates have expired and like renewal. There are certificates open for renewal, something like that. You get to know about those things here.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, basically. So yeah, it has a lot of setting, lot of customizations in this Oracle Access Manager that I will be covering. So Oracle
Mhm.
Access Manager only is not sufficient. We need to know about Oracle Identity Manager, any LDAP, HTTP server.
Mhm.
It is basically the whole stack. And into our environment, the environment I'm using right now, it is integrated environment. Oracle HTTP server, Oracle Identity Manager, Oracle Access Manager. These three are integrated to each other.
Mhm. So whatever you were installing, it had all three, right?
Yes, even I worked
OID.
over. Yes, OID, OUD. I worked even on AD.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
So yeah, you can tell. You
So
can ask
we,
me.
yeah. So what is the how many days or how many sessions you will be taking? Do you have any estimation on that? Uh,
Yes, actually, yeah. It shows that you know some things, so that's why it
mhm,
would be easy to train you.
mhm.
So according to my estimation, if we'll go through this, it will take not more than 20 days. If we'll take 1 hour each day.
Okay. But I need hands-on.
Yeah, because practical is important. Because if you don't, if you want to do the practical, then you are not gonna learn the things. You are just seeing the things and you are just saying, okay, 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 yes, okay. But
I know. So let me see how it goes. Yeah. But
okay,
whatever
but I would suggest you.
explanation, see, as long as I am perfectly okay with the training, I will not be left alone. That's my point. Like I want to touch each and every part of OAM,
Okay.
and I should learn everything, including from installation,
Mm-hmm.
every. I know that RCU does repository creation in terms of database. It creates tables and all. But I need to
Mm-hmm.
know. I open that script and you should be able to explain me the level that what it does. I don't want you to go line by line, but I need to know what RCU does.
No problem at all. Even I'll show you the database where all the schemas are being created and what kind of data is going into the databases. I'll show you everything.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay
I
then.
have access to everything here. Even these server are at our office, so there is some kind of latency in accessing those servers. But still, I can show you everything.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
So the material you will be following is administrative guide and development guide of OAM. Uh,
Yes. Yes, somewhere administrative guide, and most of the things I know by my own,
mhm.
so I won't require anything. I have my own documents that I created from after studying from that Oracle documents because the Oracle documents are so lengthy and difficult to understand.
Mhm, mhm.
So I created my own documents.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So if you need any kind of help in terms of that AWS, we have our team member that works over AWS, and he'll very good at it. He'll show you everything. He'll tell you everything about the prices and about the everything.
Mhm. Okay.
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 So you can ask me
Mm,
anything. We have session till 2.
as of now, I'm okay with it. You can do one thing. You can share your mail ID or something, or maybe I'll message if I have any questions with this
Akshat, I
GoLogica
will connect with
Technologies mail ID.
you. Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah. I have your mail, info@gologica.com. I'll reply
Yeah.
to that. with
Yeah,
all
you can reply.
whatever
Yes,
I
you can
have.
reply. We're going to help you all the things. Okay.
Yeah. Sure. That is, I guess. So, I think I'm good.
Okay.
Okay. So in OIM, I think you have done a lot of things.
See, in
So then
OIM, I haven't done this. What is that flow?
workflows,
Workflows. I haven't done. I haven't
that is a
done.
part of SOA.
Yeah. So I haven't done uh, SOA workflows at all. I have worked on reports. I have worked on connectors. I have worked on UI customization. I have worked on integration with.
So have you worked on the SODs? What
Yeah, I
SOD?
have worked with SODs and access policies and worked with the role customization, access policy customization, worked with
The
a lot
entitlements
of
you have worked upon?
and yeah. So customize, see, if you ask me about um, connecting to any application and integrating, I have like 1,000 times. So I don't have issues with it. Only thing I don't know is workflows.
Okay, that is not a big deal actually. That is part of SOA. We have a different team in
Yeah.
SOA. Even we don't do SOA. We don't work over
Okay.
workflows. We have a separate team for it.
Uh-huh. Okay. Uh, yeah, that's a thing, and I haven't
So
got.
have you? Yeah.
I was okay with without SUA workflows so far. Let's
So
see.
have you worked upon the DR, disaster recovery?
Yeah.
Uh,
I'll during when I was working with Australia New Zealand Bank a lot,
okay.
and
So have you
find.
structured it or like you worked over it?
See, I was a junior resource over there. I just followed the instructions, but see, I know in and out of it. That's what I can say. I haven't
So you know how the replication thing is gonna do there?
replication, right?
Yeah,
No.
replication of data between databases and that application.
Yeah. Replication, integrating, and see, one server has data, and the second server getting data to second server. That kind of integration, and then
Hmm.
the load balancing stuff where it is configured that it will go to first this server, and then if it is down, go to second server. Those things
Yes.
I did it. I know that that's how it works. I know how disaster recovery works. I know uh, I had few steps, thousands of steps I just followed to
Okay,
uh,
so have you worked over
do
that
dress
Oracle Data
rehearsal.
Guard?
What is it?
Oracle Data Guard.
No, I haven't. What is it?
Yeah, basically it is a tool provided by Oracle to synchronize the database between DC and DR.
Oh, okay.
So basically we need to synchronize our database from DC to DR. That is why we use the tool Oracle Data Guard.
Okay.
Yes.
Mm. So see, so let's see how it goes. I'll come back to you, and uh, I'll send out few questions I have. I'll talk to my colleague who I am resource. So I'll just note talking to you.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you. Okay. Bye
Okay.
bye.
Okay. Bye.